Updating your address with Telcel is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the update process, collect all necessary information, including your account number, personal identification, and the new address you want to register. Step 2. Visit the Telcel website. Go to the official Telcel website. Look for the customer service or account management section where you can find options for updating your personal information. Step 3. Log into your account. Access your Telcel account by entering your credentials. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one using your phone number and other required details. Step 4. Navigate to Address Update. Once logged in, find the option for updating your personal information or address. This may be located under Account Settings or Profile Management. Step 5. Submit your new address. Enter your new address in the designated fields and review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the changes and look for a confirmation message indicating that your address has been updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your address with Telcel. Keeping your information current ensures you receive important communications and services without interruption.